instruction to coming generation. Wealth is not bad, we should not blame wealth, but we must not forget to inculcate values. What do you say? You agree with me? Huh? So this is very, very important. Now I want to, are you all here? Everybody? Yes. I would like you to do a small exercise. Would you do the small exercise? Yes. Are you ready for it? Yes. Something you have never done before. Okay? So turn to the person next to you and can you tell the person that you don't trust them? You don't trust them, the person next to you. Can you do that? No? Why not? Just do it. I'm telling you, it's an exercise. Just turn to the person next. This is the chance. You may not trust the person who is next to you, but you don't tell them that, you know. Huh? Just turn to the person next to you and tell them, I don't trust you. Can you do this? No, come on, do it and see what happens. Let's see. देखिए आप सुख आप देख रहे हैं, तो मैं कह रहा हूँ तो आप करके देखिए ना. You done it. So see, have you done this ever before? That you told somebody, I don't trust you, and they are smiling and you are smiling. कभी हमने किया जिंदगी में? नहीं किया. अच्छा अभी एक और चलिए, पहला वाला नहीं कहते, एक और एक्सरसाइज देता. 30 सेकेंड के लिए आंख बंद कर लीजिए. 30 seconds close your eyes and just think what if nobody trusts you? Your clients don't trust you, the lawyers don't trust you, your family doesn't have trust in you, nobody trusts you. आंख बंद करके जरा 30 सेकेंड के लिए सोचिए. Yeah, open your eyes. How do you feel? Huh? Someone said happy?
No. Very happy.
Head is spinning. You know, we convey more through our vibrations. आप मुंह से बोले ये जरूरत नहीं है, आपकी तरंग से लोग पकड़ लेते हैं. Today, what is lacking in the world is trust deficit. We are living in a world full of trust deficit. ऐसा ना? Yeah? पीछे, वहाँ, उधर. You know, we walk around with this vibration, and people can pick it up. We convey more through our vibes than through our words. But we have done nothing to improve our vibrations. Our vibration is filled with stress, doubt, and all that thing that happens around. So through meditation, we can improve our vibrations. When we improve our vibrations, your communication is much better, much smoother, much nicer. You become a pleasant personality to interact with. Who doesn't want a personality which is very pleasant? Tell me. Anybody here? Huh? हमारे भीतर चिड़चिड़ापन है, एक तरह की व्यथा है, तरह की उद्वेग है, उन्माद है. इन सब को ढोते रहते हैं, तनाव को ढोते रहते हैं. इस तनाव से मुक्त जब हम होते हैं तो हमारे व्यक्तित्व में एक सुंदरता, एक खूबी, एक प्रसन्नता झलकती है. और इसको हमें सबको जीवन में अपनाना है। मैं इतना ही कहूँगा। अभी आपके पास कुछ प्रश्न हैं या किसी विषय पर आप चाहते हैं तो यू राइज द पॉइंट एंड आई विल टॉक ऑन दैट। Questions?
Guruji has opened the forum for question and answers. You can question and he will answer. Mic please. हेलो।
Yes.
सबसे पहले तो सीटीसी का आभार मानता हूँ कि उन्होंने हमें ये दूसरा बड़ा मौका दिया है कि श्री श्री रविशंकर जी से। सर, आपने ट्रस्ट के बारे में कहा है कि भाई ट्रस्ट यानी ट्रस्ट है या नहीं, ये इसके बारे में दुविधा है। बट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी मुझे लगता है कि ट्रस्ट के बगैर दुनिया चलती ही नहीं है। विश्वास के ऊपर ही सारी दुनिया चल रही है। हमारे जो क्लाइंट्स है वो हम पे ट्रस्ट रख के ही हमारे पास काम करवाते हैं। ये है वाइफ भी जो है या बच्चे भी जो है ट्रस्ट के साथ ही हमारे साथ जिंदगी बिताते हैं।
करेक्ट।
ऐसा मेरा कहना है।
बिल्कुल सही है। ट्रस्ट के बिना चलता नहीं है, फिर भी हमारा ट्रस्ट मजबूत नहीं होता।
दैट इज अ क्वेश्चन नंबर।
तीन तरह की ट्रस्ट चाहिए, तीन तरह के विश्वास। एक खुद पे आत्मविश्वास, अपने ऊपर ट्रस्ट। दूसरा समाज में अच्छी चीज़ है इसके ऊपर ट्रस्ट। हर कोई आदमी चोर नहीं है, डकैत नहीं है समाज में, तो अच्छे लोग हैं इसीलिए समाज चल रहा है। तो हमारे चारों ओर जो अच्छाई है उस पर विश्वास। तीसरा एक शक्ति है जो दिखने में नहीं आया मगर है कोई शक्ति, उस शक्ति पर विश्वास, उस सत्ता पर विश्वास।
गुरुजी आपको प्रणाम। जिंदगी में सांसारिक जीवन और कर्म करते करते हाउ वन कैन बी लिव कंटिन्यूअसली हैप्पीली, कैन यू गाइड अस प्लीज? सो अलॉन्ग विथ बैलेंसिंग द लाइफ एंड लिविंग
Correct. In the very beginning I said, I am not giving you a lecture which I would give you for monks or brahmacharis. I am talking you those things which a householder needs, and as a householder, as a person who has responsibility, need to have. So that is where I say we need to have that balance between our commitment to the society and commitment to our family. ये दोनों को बैलेंस करके चलना चाहिए। देखिए हमारे देश में जनेऊ पहनते हैं, पता है क्यों पहनाते हैं? बच्चे को जनेऊ पहनाते हैं ना, 7-8 साल के। जनेऊ में 3 धागे होते हैं। तो माता पिता बच्चों को एक कंधे में ये जिम्मेदारी की एहसास कराते हैं। 3 जिम्मेदारी है। एक तो माता पिता के लिए, दूसरा है जो विद्या तुमने पढ़ाया सीखा, पढ़ा सीखा उसके लिए, तीसरा समाज के लिए। ये 3 जिम्मेदारी का 3 धागा जनेऊ पहनते हैं। जैसे ये तीनों पूरा हो जाता है, सन्यासी होते हैं, तब वो जनेऊ छोड़ देते हैं, तब वो सन्यासी। मैंने अपना जिम्मेदारी हमने पूरा कर लिया।
जय गुरुदेव। गुरुजी, वेजिटेरियनिज्म इज इट इक्वल टू नॉन वायलेंस? वेजिटेरियनिज्म जो शाकाहार है और उसका नॉन वायलेंस से कोई संबंध नहीं?
आहार जरूर अपना मन पर प्रभाव करता है। आहार का प्रभाव है मन में। शुद्ध सात्विक आहार का अच्छा प्रभाव है, ये बात है। नॉन वायलेंस बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है। आज दुनिया में लाखों लोग शाकाहारी बन रहे हैं, शाकाहारी लाखों लोग बनते जा रहे हैं। वहाँ
गुरुजी प्रणाम करता हूँ। मेरा सवाल है, एक सिचुएशन को कैसे मीट किया जाए जिसमें मेरा किसी व्यक्ति के ऊपर से विश्वास टूट चुका है या किसी व्यक्ति का मुझ पर से विश्वास टूट चुका है, दोनों ही सिचुएशन को मैं कैसे मीट करूं?
वस्तु परिस्थिति को देखते हुए आप बताइए, यदि गलत फहमी हो गई किसी को तो एजुकेट एंड इग्नोर। एजुकेट कर रहा हूँ तो देखिए मैंने ऐसा नहीं किया। यदि हमने कुछ भूल किया है, गलती किया है, फिर उसके लिए माफ़ी मांग लेना चाहिए, वो भी उदारता है। तो कह दे देखिए मेरे से भूल होगी, अब आगे से नहीं होगा, आगे बढ़ना चाहिए।
जय गुरुदेव। गुरुजी मेरा सवाल थोड़ा डिफरेंट है और सवाल इस तरह से है, दुनिया बनाने वाले क्या तेरे मन में समाई, काहे को दुनिया बनाई तूने, काहे को दुनिया बनाई। जय गुरुदेव।
दुनिया को बनाई मेरे मौज के लिए।
Pranam Guruji, last question, with your permission, I have two related questions on commitment with the one which you mentioned. One is you said that one must balance oneself just within the family plus the nation or the world, whatever. So question is, and if I'm not mistaken, generally it is seen, or that's what we see, a person who focuses on the family is much more financially successful and looks happy at least. Unlike a person who has a balance, right? That's the first question I have. So why is it that the person who's only focused on one side, his family, is more financially successful, unlike the other person? That's the first one.
Is more successful.
Financially, I just mentioned financially.
Financially successful.
Second related question is, you mentioned about Gandhiji. The age-old saying is, behind every successful man, there's a wife or a lady, whatever. So, I mean, if Kasturba had not supported Gandhiji or not taken pride in his work, would Gandhi have been successful? Thank you.
I'll take the first question, second question first. Kasturiba supported Gandhiji. She was a great lady, no doubt. But initial days, how Mahatma Gandhi treated her, if you hear, he himself admits how much blunder he committed as far as she was concerned, how he was forcing her, his opinion on her. This is where I find that, which he himself regretted later on, but it's a lesson for everyone. He regretted that I did not pay much attention to my own son because I was like a boss for him, not like a friend. So, see, we need to learn from the mistakes as well as the good things people do. That's what I wanted to bring into our discussion. And the first question is, it appears people who are just stuck in their own family, they are much more successful and happy. They may have made a lot of money, but don't think they are happy. Don't think. See the person who made a lot of money got to jail, though after 20 years. So like this you will find ample example in society. People who are just focused on their own family, either their children are unhappy, their wife, their spouses are unhappy, or they themselves are unhappy. They feel there is something missing. I have not done what I should be doing. My whole life I got locked up in a small cabin. That's what they feel. Because they don't lift their eyes up and see how vast society is. They have not cared for their neighbor, the people in the streets. They did nothing for anybody. That pricks one's consciousness.
Shailesh, thank you. One question, last question please.
जय गुरुदेव। you mentioned rightly about the stress. Stress is caused due to we live in fear of losing money, fear of losing love, or fear of anything. So, how to tackle fear so that we can tackle stress?
You know, stress has two components. One, fear, of course, I will come to that. Stress is too much to do, too little time, and no energy. That is the formula for stress. You have a lot to do, and there is no time and there is no energy. This causes stress. Fear causes not stress but anxiety. And fear is love standing upside down. Through meditation, pranayama, kriya, you can get rid of fear. Yeah? That's where faith, Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita says, don't disturb the faith of ignorant people, because if you disturb their faith, they will fall into a pit of fear. So the trust or faith helps a great deal in controlling anxiety in people.
Thank you. Guruji, one question last. As you had stated in the opening remarks that we are all tax professionals, a taxing world. So this question comes from the taxing professionals. As a tax professional, one lives in the world of conflict of interest. 3 conflicts of interest. Taxpayer wants to avoid it. Tax gatherer wants to enrich himself. And tax professional who is pursuing his career. How does a tax professional resolve between the 3?
You have to advise them when they have to, if they are trying to avoid paying the tax, totally you have to advise them, no, you should pay some tax. Because what you pay is needed for the building of nation. At the same time, you can reduce it, you can do this work, you can do the charity, you can put the money in this. All this, you know how to advise, you are anyway doing it. So you need to walk that, ride that bicycle here wherein you are maintaining the balance. That is very important. And we need to encourage people to be honest, and at the same time we can give them little relief. Because if they have to be 100% honest, they don't need to go to anybody. But they come to you because they want to avoid paying some tax and have some savings, maybe one of the reasons. And for that you can give them some advice, do this charity or do this, whatever. I have no idea what you would suggest them, but middle path is what is best. That you are making your clients happy and also your clients, and you are also happy that things are working in the proper line.
Thank you so much. Friends?
One more thing today I came to know that you are proactively advising the governments. This is very, very important. Sometimes people sit there in finance office in government, they have no idea what they are doing. Neither do they have the pulse of the people. So you know the pulse of the people, you know how nation needs finances, and if they are taking a wrong step and you are coming forward and advising them or taking that to court, I really appreciate this step that you are doing. This is very important in nation building.
Friends, as our theme is, seek and you will find, Guruji has rightly shown, seek happiness and definitely you will find, create and you will conquer, and Guruji has shown, create trust and you will conquer the world through the knowledge which is supreme. With this, friends, as we have seen earlier, that Guruji, through his various organizations throughout the world, particularly more in India, is working towards many noble causes, including education, which is also our objective. On this occasion, we choose to have the most appropriate organization through Guruji to take our causes forward. And in this chamber of tax consultant Guruji wishes to contribute something. May I request Sri Ajay Singh to please contribute towards the noble causes of our education, taking our objective forward to the Guruji.
This is for the schools in Uttarakhand and Jammu and Kashmir. I would hand over to our chairman, Commodore Rao, Sarvottam Rao. And in fact, he manages our trust. We run 550 schools all over India. 53,000 kids are getting education, free education.
Friends, now I call upon Ms. Charu to propose a hearty vote of thanks and with certain instructions, please.
Param Pujya Guruji, respected dignitaries on the dais, and my dear friends. Guruji, you said people go to Guruji and tax consultants when they are stressed. But when tax consultants are stressed, they go only and only to Guruji. Guru Govind dono khade, kako lagu paye, balihari Guru aapki, jinhe Govind diyo dikhaye. Great saints visit places and preach to the devotees, and thus they serve the Lord Himself. Today, we are blessed by the gracious presence and inauguration of our Ruby Jubilee Residential Refresher Course by Sri Guruji. With this, I, on behalf of the Chamber of Tax Consultants and myself, thank Guruji for sparing time, blessings, enlightening us and leading us to the path of peace and harmony. Our special gratitude and thanks to Sri Krishna Shastri Ji, Sri Commodore Rao, Chairman VVIK, Sri Krishna Nair, and our own Sri Ajay Singh Ji, Vice President of Chamber, for making this event happen. I might have not taken names of all, but our heartfelt gratitude to everybody for having Guruji with us. Guruji is amongst us this evening to bless us, and that is our wish. With this, I request all to rise and go ahead to pay respect to Sri Guruji. Thank you very much. Friends, I request all to please assemble outside the hall for the group photograph. And after the photograph, please go straight